Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 36 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/1/3. The question goes like this. A brooch is crafted from silver wire in the shape of a circle with a diameter of 35 centimeter. The wire is also used to create 5 diameters, dividing the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Question 1. What is the radius of the circle? The diameter is 35 centimeters. So radius is 35 upon 2, which is 17.5 centimeter. Question number 2. What is the circumference of the brooch? Circumference of the circle can be calculated using the formula 2 pi r. Let's substitute 22 upon 7 for pi, and radius is 35 by 2. On reducing this, we get 110 centimeter. Question 3 part A. What is the total length of silver wire required? The brooch is made of silver wire and the 5 diameters are also made of silver wires. So the total length of the silver wire is the circumference plus the length of 5 diameters. Circumference is 110 centimeter and each diameter is 35 centimeter. In calculating, we get 285 centimeter. B part of the third question. What is the area of each sector of the brooch? The circle is divided into 10 equal sectors. So let's calculate the area of the full circle and divide it by 10 to get the area of one sector. Area of each sector is equal to area of the circle upon 10. That is pi r square by 10. Taking 22 by 7 for pi, and r is 35 by 2, one more 35 by 2 upon 10, which gives us 96.25 centimeter square. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.